Alrighty, Carolly, here's your 572 Hemi. The description of this combination. It has got the differential block, Edelbrock heads, and we got the Mod Man manifold on it. 2 4s, custom grind solid roller. Got the Billet Specialties front end, beautiful. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X, great system. Go in there and make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,300, 619 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like it peaks torque 672, peaks horsepower 715. Rated 700's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend plug in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Have a great day.